My name is Celine and I am an educator for Janome Canada. And I welcome everybody that download the free trial of the software Artistic Digitizer, provide all over the world, because Janome is worldwide company, yeah? And I think April is the month of the try to try this software. So I am using today a Mac to do this little demonstration. Demonstration is not a course, huh? I'm using a Mac because I want people to know that the software can be installed or a PC or a Mac. I'm not too familiar with Mac, and there's a conflict between my keyboard and my software, so I hope nothing will happen while I'm showing to you. So I'm gonna switch the screen. Okay, now you see the screen of the software the way it is when you turn it on. Okay? This time I'm gonna say new. Last time I showed you, and I won't repeat what I did last week. Okay, I'll do something. It's just to see a few things that you can do. I'm showing this to you, but I'm also on Janome Facebook, Janome America. She also teaches and show you some technique. So I know we talked about lettering, but let's see something else with the lettering. Text, okay. And if I don't click, if I didn't click text, this wasn't there. Now I click text. I made a bobo here right away. Let me start to make sure that I won't have any trouble. So you see there's nothing here. I will click text and a new box appears. And I cannot write something else than Janome. Oh, I want capital letter. Janome. Okay? That you saw before. Okay? Select to deselect the option. And my design, I will center the design into my hoop. Also, I would like to tell you that just before this live, I did one into French. And in French, my software was in French. So to do this one now in English, I went into Artistic, Preference, and I switch language. You see how many languages you have possible in your software? But I will cancel this. But in between, you have to close the software or shut down the software and reopen the software to activate the command you give to your software. Okay? So I click here on 100%, but if you want to see closer, these are your digitizing tools here. Okay? So zoom the design, or zoom design and hoop. Okay? By default, this is your the color of your font, and you want to change it. Okay, that you know. Now I'm going to show you how to cut or split design. I should say cut. Okay? You select your design. Then you come here, digitize, outline shape, and left click. Another thing, always use a mouse with the software. Left click, whoop, I moved, right click, end of shape. Okay? Then again, select everything. You see, this is my cutting line. I will select the word that I ask and the line, And in the rectangle, in my selection, right click, knife, deselect, and then I'm coming here, oops, Janome cut in half. As easy as this. Okay, so I will do undo, of course. This is easy. So let's say I showed you how to split. You select the bottom part. Let's say you want the bottom part yellow. That's it. Okay. Was too easy. Now let's get complicated. Okay, I don't want any cutting line, so I'm back. And this, for the demo, you know, I just do fast undo. Again, digitize outline, shape, left click, and if I move my mouse, you know, I can move my mouse in circle, but this is not nice, you see. So I will not do it. Okay, the shape is just, whoops. The shape is just not nice, but I wanted to show you how to, this one I don't want, delete. Okay, now I'll do it very nice, okay? Click, and then you give just a little curve if you want. You need a bit, whoa, back stitch. When it's not nice, back stitch, okay? Did I say right? Back stitch. I think I said the right word. At the end, and shape. And you see right away, it shows you here in the sequence manager, it shows you what you did. Okay, I'm still working with the digitizing tool. Now I will say stop, because selection stop the command. Deselect. This time I will select both and the word and the shape. In the rectangle, right click, knife, and that's it. Your word is split into two. Okay? Of course, I won't do an embroidery like that, but look what I can do though. They're all object. I can change the color. Okay. I'm just using some color. I'm following the red here. I'm following just the color line here, blue and this blue. Okay, so you see they're all object. So if I want, I can select the top part and move it if I want. Whoop, what happened here? I didn't select lower enough, lower enough. So you see, here I have to go low. Okay, am I okay? Yes, I'm okay. So let's say this one I want. Look at that. But then you're gonna see, Celine, you have tatami, satin, tatami. I don't want to do embroidery like this. So we will choose, I will select my green part, the top part, I should say, and I'll come back not on color this time. I'll come back on property, and I will say, all satin or all tatami. You see? Keep your eyes on the letters. Let's say all satin. Same thing here. Tatami and satin. So you say, bottom part, I want tatami. Tatami is a way of a weave. See, I changed it. Look at this. there's a little bobo here to be repaired. So we do this with an edit node, but I won't do it now because we'll stay. It's not 2 minutes, huh? But software react to something, okay? And that sometimes you cannot explain. Okay, then you're gonna say, that's okay, but I don't want to save it. Can I split a design? Of course you can split a design. So let's go to music. I have a design. Can I split it? Hey, come on. It's a Janome software. Of course. I select my software, my design, and I will digitize outline shape. And this time, let me do it vertically. Whoops. Close shape. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Then select and the cutting line and the design. Right click, knife, and the design is split. Okay. Let me take a part of it. I want to take a little bit more because, no. Okay. There you go. So does the software can split a design? Yes, it can. So whatever you want to do with the software, you can. Whatever you want to do with the design, you can. Maybe better than me. It's not even nice. I want. Okay. And then you want to center this. This is not nice, but just to show you. Center in the design. And again, what do you want to do? Enlarge, reduce, center in the hoop, as easy as this. And also you look at your design and say, oh, I would like an outline. Select the whole design, right click, auto border. Let's put a running line, like an outline straight stitch. Okay. Look at this. How hard was this? You know, it's also easy to watch the other one do her demo, but when you can replay those demo and follow me, and the more you use it, the more you'll know stuff by heart. And if you forget, because we don't use always all the technique, you can go and help and print or refer to the PDF instruction manual, okay? But with time, you know everything by heart. So delete my design, and then I'll show you something else. You know that software is based on graphics. So I'm going to Tools, and I told you last time, and I'll repeat again, that the software comes with 3,500 designs. It's true and not true, because whatever you have as or symbol or clip art design, any vector file vector is easier. You use, sorry, you import or you use, oh no, I'll come here. Well, there's no end. So let me take this graphic here, insert, and I click and drag. And I put it the way I want, the size I want, the angle I want. Let's put it straight. Okay, I don't want this anymore. Remember, this is a clip art, which is an image. So what happened? I'll select this. I want you to see good. I want you to see entire design. Look, it is a design. It put it into embroidery. So, okay. I want multiple design. You know, this is my digital tools here. So I'll select my design, and I'm coming here to do rectangular array. I ask horizontally 1 and vertical copy 2. Let's say I want 4 and 4. Whoa, whoa. It's not what I want to do. I cannot do undo. Okay. Come back on selection. No, I don't want this. Bon. Okay. So I'm going to come back, array, and I'm going to ask 4. It multiplied 2, yeah, and 4, because it was the A. Look at this. I can shrink this, and I can, look at that. Okay. But I'll do 0 and 0. I don't want it, no, 0. Or 1. Okay, then take 0. No. Okay, you know what I'll do? Don't save. No. I'll come back, new, tools, insert symbol. Sometimes it's easier to start and you don't mix up people. Okay, again, my flower. Okay, finish. And I will position where I want. Now, array, rectangular, and okay. Look what I can do. I ask 2 horizontally, 2 vertically. Okay, so I can rotate, but that's not all. I can center if I want, but I can play with each of them. When there's a handle on every design, a red handle, okay, if I click on it, look at this. Now I'm centered. Okay. If I, you see my cursor, the arrow, if I point the design, you see the blue stuff, the blue icon, I can invert, okay? Or I can rotate. There's no end to what I want to create, what I can create. See, again, I can make them close. There's really no end. And you have more in your more idea in your instruction manual, or in the live that Janome, everybody from Janome is doing. Okay, so let me do another window. Don't save. No, I don't want this. New, and I just showed you insert symbol, and you can take them from anywhere, everywhere you have here in your software and in the computer, in your computer. Okay, this time I will choose a clip art. You can insert a built-in clip art, or tools, clip art. You can create your own clip art or import your own clip art. And look how many do you have? There's you see that sliding bar? Look at, I don't want to go fast, but there's a lot, huh? You can look at them one by one, or if you printed the book, you can look in the book. But a snowman, I don't want that anymore. It's finished. Now it's time for flower. And then it brings me all flowers. You choose, and don't forget, these are image, huh? Okay. I'm going to choose one with a nice weavy, oh, this I like. Insert, okay. Drag and position the way I want, as big as I want, and I want you to see the entire design. Look at this. Now the design, it was a clip art, and because it's a vector image, you see the whole design with the stitches. And it was an image, huh? So I want to, okay, I want to come back here. Now, I'm going to select my design. You can make the change you want on your design, huh? Change the color, change the size, rotate, whatever you want to do. So until next time, I'll say goodbye to you. And if you want, watch it into French, because it didn't happen into French. I could show circular array. So it's the same thing. Instead of being those clip art square, I show it into circle. So I'll find out what's the problem. So goodbye, everybody. See you next time.